A newly planted tree is 40 centimeters tall. Its height increases by 20% every month. Another tree is 60 cm tall and grows 10% every month. How many months will the first tree become taller than the second tree? So tree number one, let's compare. Tree number two. Okay, so for tree number one, let's say after every month. So A sub 0 is from the start. That's A sub 0. So that is 40 cm here, and here 60 cm. Okay. For the common ratio for tree number one, its height increases by 20%. So it's going to be 120% of the height of the previous month. So 120% is 1.2 in decimal, and that will be our common ratio because that's what we're going to multiply. For the second tree, the common ratio is grows 10%, 1.1. That's 110%, so 1.1. Okay, after how many months will the first tree become taller than the second tree? Let's do this manually. So after 1 year, after 1 month, so A sub 1, that's 40 times 1.2, that's going to be 48. How about tree number 2? 60 times 1.1, that's going to be 66. After 2 months, that's A sub 2, tree number 1 will grow 20%, so 48 times 1.2, that's 57.6. And then for tree number 2, 66 times 1.1, that's going to be 72.6. And then after 3 months, 57.6 times 1.2, it will become 69.12. And then tree number 2 will grow 10% only, so 72.6 times 1.1, that will give us 79.86. And after 4 months, tree number 1 will grow again 20%. So that's going to be 69.12 times 8 times 1.2, so 82.944. And then tree number 2 will grow by 10% only. So that will be 79.86 times 1.1. That will give us 87.846. As what we can see here, tree number 2 is still taller than tree number 1 because it's 87 here for tree number 2. Tree number 1 is just 82. How about after the 5th month? Tree number 1 will grow 20%, so 82.944 times 1.2, that will give us 99.5328. 5328. And then tree number 2 will grow 10%, so 87.841846 times 1.1, that will give us 96.6306. So as what you can see here, tree number 1 is already taller, 99, and the other one, 96.6. So after 5 months. So after how many months will the first tree become taller than the second? That will be after 5 months. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!